Hey, what's going on? My name's Ricky. I'm a trader in the stock market, and I want to first off just congratulate you for taking the first step and learning more about the stock market. And I do agree with you. It does seem very daunting. The stock market has a lot to offer and a lot of information to kind of take in. And I hope that within the next 3 videos, I do my part in making it just a little bit easier for you to understand, to see if this is something that you actually want to pursue. First things first, I want to share with you the reason why. The reason why I think that everyone should learn more about trading in the stock market. I've taken the concepts at a very early age that I've gathered within the years of the ins and the outs of how to manage and mitigate risk, how to take advantage of opportunities that I've learned from the stock market, but I've been able to implement it into other markets such as real estate, e-commerce. I'm a big car guy, and the buying and selling of cars. I see the concepts that someone learns within the stock market to be a universal concept that is very, very beneficial. So if this has ever been a market that you've been wanting to learn more about, I think it's time for you to jump on in. And with that being said, how expensive and or how much money do you need to start trading? That's a question that everyone's going to ask, and it's a question that you need to be answered, right? One thing that I need you to know is that you can actually start learning how to trade in the stock market, and again, keyword, learning, for free, right? And it's like, okay, well, what do you mean by that? There's a thing called paper trading. The link will be down in the description for you. And it is a free resource in which you can open up an account, just like you see here, through Webull, download the Webull app, and actually set up a free paper trading account. So it allows you to practice all the concepts that you are learning from my videos and really put them to the test. So instead of trying to decide, hey, should I start out with $100, $1,000, $10,000? I don't care how much money you have. I don't care. I think it's so important that if you're truly trying to focus on the learning part, then prove it to yourself. By being able to have access to this paper trading platform, everything from mistakes, everything from understanding how to take advantage of an opportunity, this is the time to test and challenge yourself, because it's not costing you anything other than your time. So when you're learning how to buy a stock, you can do it with a paper trading account. When you're trying to learn how to lock in profits or manage or mitigate risk, you can do it with a paper trading account. And I do agree with you. Well, with paper trading, it's simulation trading, so it's fake money. But it really allows you, it really gives the learner, the aspiring trader, you, to really double down and focus on what's important. A very common mistake, right? I have nearly 1 million subscribers on YouTube. We have over 300,000 members within our free private Facebook group. We've seen this time after time, and a very common mistake that almost every beginner makes is they obsess about the money. They obsess about the profit. They're not focused on learning because they're so obsessive in other areas. So they don't focus on, when does it make sense to lock in profits? When does it make sense to buy? When does it make sense to cut losses? Because when you're so emotional, you become irrational, and money does bring that out of you. So if I can take and encourage you to take this step and hope that you don't make the same mistake that so many others have, I hope that you can at least get one step closer to your overall goal. And of course, that's learning how to trade in the stock market. This allows you to scan for stocks. This allows you during my live trading sessions for you to be able to tune on in and literally break down and analyze every stock that I do. So you get to benefit in the same ways that I do in using this platform. You're just doing it with fake money. Because why? Because you're focused on learning how to trade. The making money part comes after. So again, the link is down below if you want to download the Webull trading platform, and you can open up your paper trading account to get started today. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section.